Raising kids is no easy task. Trying to do it while maintaining a healthy lifestyle can almost seem impossible. But living at 24 Hanover, Unit 1207, sure makes it easier. Welcome to Bellair Condominiums at 24 Hanover Road. Located steps from Queen and Dixie, Bellair Condominiums have remarkable features and amenities, all within walking distance. Features exclusive to residents include indoor saltwater swimming pool, spa, sauna, tennis court, racquetball court, squash court, billiards room, party room, outdoor walking trails, barbecue area, a beautiful garden with waterfalls, secure bicycle lockers, and 24/7 security. Of course, how can I forget the exercise room where you may not be the strongest man in there, but you have to start somewhere. The building also includes underground resident parking and ample outdoor visitor parking. Aside from the fantastic layout and gorgeous views from this balcony, 1207 boasts 2 spacious bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms in 1,200 square feet. The unit also includes separate living and dining room, large eat-in kitchen, ensuite laundry and storage, a rare north-facing balcony with wide open unobstructed views overlooking the soccer cricket field across the street, and a private view of fireworks on Canada Day. In addition to the unit amenities, the unit comes with an additional indoor locker and underground parking for 4 cars, 2 of which are immediately beside the building entrance elevator. After a long day, it's so nice to be able to just plop on the couch for a little R&R. Or perhaps you want to go for a swim. You can also visit the many fantastic amenities which are less than a 10-minute walk in any direction. These amenities include Chinguacousy Park, a phenomenal park full of attractions for the whole family to enjoy, the Brampton City Centre, multiple grocery stores, Brampton Library, the Chinguacousy branch, Howden Recreation Centre, Brampton Transit Bus Terminal, the Go Bus Terminal, elementary schools, Montessori schools, preschools, and daycare. At the end of the day, it is always nice to take the time to truly appreciate these amenities and the home you spend so much time working to keep. So once you move in, be sure to take some time for yourself and enjoy your new life at 24 Hanover, Unit 1207.